Twitter says it is prepared to go ahead with the sale to Elon Musk after he indicated that he's going forward with the deal at a share price of $54.20. And for more, I'm joined by BNN's Andrew Bell. So, Andrew, one of the big questions that people may have is, why, with everything that happened around this, why continue to move? But at the end of the day, shareholders want their money.
That's right, and they could have sued Elon Musk. He was due in court in the next few days to try to justify why he wanted to back out of this Twitter deal. It could have been embarrassing, and he could have been on the hook for big damages because, as you know, he said, yeah, I'll buy the company for just over $54 US a share, deal worth more than $40 billion US. Then he started, he got buyer's remorse, the fear that sets in when you agree to buy something. He tried to back out. He claimed that Twitter was failing to control bots and spam on the platform. That was largely discounted because he failed to produce evidence for it. And so now he says he's going ahead. Twitter shares jumping up more than 20% today. Last I looked, they were trading just over $51 US, so still a little bit shy of what Musk has now agreed to pay. He's agreed to pay the original price he promised. It does imply that people think there may be more legal maneuverings before this thing happens. But it is important on many levels because Twitter is pretty close to the center of our public discourse. As you know, a lot of politicians, not just Kim Kardashian and celebrities, disclose things on Twitter. So it is seen as important to public debate around the world. We journalists love it, of course. I'm addicted to the darn thing, I'll admit. So there are concerns that if Musk went ahead and took over it, and then applied some of his mercurial personality, we might even see more spam, more even fake information on Twitter if he starts winding back controls over the platform.
Yeah, so there's concern about, changes to the platform, but also, further monetizing it, in terms of subscriptions or ads.
That's right. Yeah, that you put your finger on it. It doesn't make an awful lot of money, Twitter. It has a big user base, although it's not growing that fast, but it's very prestigious. I mean, just about anybody who's anybody in the world of business or politics keeps a good eye on Twitter. It's not that profitable. So Musk has raised the possibility of some kind of subscription fee, although I don't know. People expect stuff on the internet to be free still. I don't know if I'd pay a subscription fee for Twitter. So there's a risk that he damages the platform here. But it's fascinating. He's had to go back. I mean, he's been trying to get out of this deal, and now he's failed. One other interesting angle that our partners at Bloomberg have right now, there's a whole bunch of high-risk financing attached to this thing, more than $12 billion that Wall Street banks have agreed to supply. Now they could be on the hook, if the deal goes ahead, to come up with that funding, but it might be very hard to sell those bonds into the market. So Wall Street could take a bath on this thing.
Oh, man. BNN's Andrew Bell.
Thanks.
Twitter for sale.